This is how to change your FNB app password in South Africa. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same, so simply follow along and look for the same options. First, open the FNB app on your phone. On the login screen, you will see the option called Forgot Password. Tap it to begin. Next, FNB will ask you to verify your identity. Depending on your version of the app, you may be asked to complete a facial verification, enter your card PIN, or approve the request through the FNB app. Follow the on-screen prompts until the verification is completed. After that, you will be asked to create your new password. Make sure the password meets all the criteria shown on the screen. Enter your new password, then re-enter it to confirm. FNB will then send you a one-time PIN. Enter the PIN and tap Confirm. Once everything is verified, you will see a message confirming that your password has been changed successfully. You can now log in with your new details. And that is it. That is how you reset your FNB app password in South Africa. If this helped you, remember to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.